Welcome, aspiring content creators, to an exciting journey where creativity meets opportunity. In today's video, we're sharing 6 easy and practical ways to monetize your YouTube channel and turn your passion into profit. Get ready to unlock the secrets of earning money from YouTube. YouTube ad revenue. The most common way to monetize your channel is through ads. As your channel grows and meets the requirements, you can enable ads on your videos and earn a share of the revenue generated from ad views. We'll guide you through the process and share tips to optimize your ad earnings. Sponsorships and brand deals. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products or services. By partnering with relevant brands, you can secure sponsorship deals and collaborations, earning money while aligning with your channel's content. We'll show you how to find and negotiate sponsorships that resonate with your audience. Affiliate marketing. Leverage your influence by recommending products or services through affiliate links. When your viewers make a purchase through your unique links, you earn a commission. We'll share effective strategies to incorporate affiliate marketing seamlessly into your content and boost your earnings. Merchandise and product sales. Capitalize on your brand and engage with your loyal audience by selling merchandise or your own products. From t-shirts to ebooks, we'll walk you through the process of creating and promoting your merchandise, turning your channel into a revenue-generating e-commerce platform. Channel memberships. YouTube offers a feature called channel memberships, allowing your viewers to subscribe to exclusive perks for a monthly fee. We'll guide you in setting up memberships and providing valuable content to your members, fostering a sense of community while earning recurring income. Funding and donations. If your viewers love your content and want to support you directly, platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi enable you to receive donations or offer subscription-based support. We'll explore these crowdfunding options and share best practices to engage your audience and nurture a supportive community. By combining these 6 income streams, you can build a sustainable and profitable YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your channel to the next level, these strategies will provide you with the tools to monetize your content and turn your YouTube dreams into a reality. So, grab your notepads and get ready to dive into the world of YouTube monetization. It's time to unleash your creativity, connect with your audience, and earn money doing what you love.